Hi, welcome to the NFTy Arcade Gateway demo video. My name is Tyler Jorgensen, founder of NFTy Arcade. You can find me on LinkedIn. You can find NFTy Arcade on a Google search, and I'm excited to show you what NFTy Arcade Gateway is. NFTy Arcade Gateway is the future of digital asset management within video games. Buying, selling, lending, renting, managing your digital assets across any video game that you play, that's where we're going. But it's a long-term vision, ambitious vision. For now, we've started with rentals. So I'm excited to show you what we have built in terms of facilitating rentals in trading card games. So I'm going to use the demo account that anybody has access to. The URL is gateway.niftyarcade.io. Here's our demo account. Going to log in, and then I'm going to pause the video while the marketplace loads. And we're back. This is the NFTy Arcade Marketplace. As you can see, we support only Splinterlands right now, but the idea is to be game agnostic, and you can see that each one of these tiles represents a deck of cards. Now, Splinterlands is very similar to games like Gods Unchained or Skyweaver, where you have a deck of cards, you play with them, and you earn cryptocurrency or in-game assets by playing with the deck. And so what happens is we have a system where a lender or an asset owner can come on and list all of their cards here for what we call a deck rental. And then a borrower or a person who wants to play but doesn't have access to assets can come on and borrow the deck. So you can see here, every single one of these are, well, the ones with two names are the ones that have been successfully rented to other people. So we can see that you can list a deck and then a borrower can borrow it. So what we're going to do is actually come in here and view one of these. We're going to pause it again while it loads. And we're back. This is the rental. So you can see this is the listing name. Here's the league we want them to play in. Now, again, this is all Splinterlands specific, but every game has similar components. Is it listed on the marketplace? How long? Is it only for a season? Is it indefinite, a set period of time? And here are all the cards. Here are all of the cards that are in this listing and the location that I'd like the cards to be borrowed to. Now, this is the marketplace. The last thing that I want to cover is what we call the portfolio tab, and we'll wait for that to load. We're back with the Portfolio tab. On the Portfolio tab, you can see the value of all the assets that you have in the ecosystem. That includes all tokens, NFTs, any other game asset that is in the ecosystem. So for example, you can see here in this account, we're only tracking one account, but we can track multiple accounts, is called Broke Bloke. We can see the different types of currencies they have in the system. This is DEC, their utility token, SPS, their governance token, and then you can stake SPS, and they have another one called vouchers. And then I can see the value of all my cards here, right? And I can click on these and this will change. I can see cards, I can see card packs, I can see land, licenses, and every game has different tokens that you can track, and you can see the value of those tokens or the value of your assets over time here. Right? This is a month view. I can go to a year view, etc. Right? Now, if I come down here to earnings, I can also see how the accounts have been performing. So I can see what I've earned in the ecosystem over a period of time from all of the different earnings mechanisms within a game. Every game is different, but they have different earnings mechanisms. And that is the NFTy Arcade platform.